Physical Science of Module 7 about biological macromolecules. Presented by Maxenjoy C. Lenoy of Grade 12 UMS A. Today, we're gonna talk about macromolecules. Macromolecules are large structures that make up all living organisms. All macromolecules have small subunits called monomers, which band together to form a larger unit called polymers. There are four classes of macromolecules, starting with carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and nucleic acid. I'll talk about all of this, starting with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main fuel source for most living things, as well as a structural component for many plants. The monomers for carbohydrates are called monosaccharides. Saccharides mean one sugar, so monosaccharides mean one sugar. These are simple sugar like glucose, fructose, and ribose. Then your polymers are called polysaccharides, and they're a long chain of monomers or monosaccharides. They're a storage of carbohydrate like starch in plant and glycogen in animals for energy storage, and then a structure like cellulose in plants and chitin in insect. Moving on to lipids. Lipids have a variety of function in living organism, and there's a lot of things lumped into the category of lipids because they're all hydrophobic. Alright, some function include energy storage, cell member formation, and steroid function. They have no real monomers. They're just what they are. So fat include triglycerides and saturated, unsaturated fats. You also have phospholipids, which form from the circular membrane, then steroids, which include all sex hormones, and all the steroids form from crystal base. All these are included in lipids, so it's pretty diverse. Then you have proteins. Protein are involved in nearly all circular function and are major part of living organisms. Their monomers are called amino acid, and there are 20 different amino acids. Their polymers are called polypeptides. You bed amino acid together to get polypeptides. The protein structure results from folding which determine the function. You have nucleic acids. Nucleic acids store, transmit, and express genetic information. Their monomers are called nucleotides, like adenine, guanine, and thymine. You may be familiar with those terms from studying DNA and RNA. And that's what their polymers are. They're called polynucleotides, and there are strands of DNA and RNA. One last very important part to mention is the structure of these biomolecules. Understanding the structure can help with predicting their properties and easily being able to identify them. One thing I like you to do is to write the four biomolecules in the same order as I went through: carbs, lipids, protein, and nucleic acid. Then remember this mnemonic device that goes with these four biomolecules: Cho, Cho, Chun, Chum. The C stands for carbon, then the H stands for hydrogen. The O stands for oxygen. So carbs, lipids, protein, and nucleic acid have all two in there. It's just protein and nucleic acid also have an N, which stands for nitrogen, and nucleic acids additionally have P, which is for phosphorus. So again, Cho, Cho, Chon, Chomp, the major element in the four biomolecules.